Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of high-performance cars. Today, we're diving into a name that evokes nostalgia and raw power: the all-new 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4. That's right, Dodge has resurrected the legendary Neon SRT-4. And this isn't just a simple reboot. It's a modern reimagination of an old-school street legend, blending cutting-edge tech with aggressive styling and serious performance. Buckle up, because this review is going to be a ride. Exterior: right off the bat, the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4 makes a statement. The front fascia is nothing short of menacing, with a large honeycomb grille taking center stage, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it an intimidating glare. Dodge has done away with unnecessary chrome accents, opting instead for a blacked-out grille and aggressive air intakes that scream performance. The hood features functional heat extractors, not just for show, but to keep that turbocharged engine running cool even under intense driving conditions. Moving to the side profile, the Neon SRT-4 sports a lower, more aerodynamic stance compared to its predecessors, sitting on 19-inch lightweight forged aluminum wheels, wrapped in high-performance rubber. This car is built for both speed and grip. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, with flared fenders giving it an unmistakable muscular presence. Dodge also added subtle aerodynamic enhancements, including a side skirt package that reduces drag and adds a visual flair. Red Brembo brake calipers peek through the spokes, hinting at the stopping power underneath. At the rear, the aggressive theme continues. A massive rear spoiler sits proudly atop the trunk, not just for aesthetics but to enhance downforce at high speeds. The LED taillights feature a sleek, wraparound design that integrates perfectly into the body. The dual exhaust tips, finished in black chrome, produce an unmistakable growl that instantly tells you this is not your average compact car. Dodge has fine-tuned the exhaust note to give it a deep, aggressive tone that pays homage to the previous SRT-4 while still embracing modern tuning. Interior: stepping inside, Dodge has completely modernized the Neon SRT-4's interior, making it a driver-focused cockpit that balances comfort and sportiness. The moment you slide into the heavily bolstered Alcantara and leather-trimmed sports seats, you know this car means business. The flat-bottomed steering wheel, wrapped in perforated leather with contrast stitching, gives you a firm grip and houses a variety of controls for an enhanced driving experience. A fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster provides all the performance data you need, including boost pressure, G-force readings, and even a track timer. The center console is dominated by a massive 10.5-inch Uconnect touchscreen infotainment system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Dodge's custom performance pages that allow you to tweak various driving parameters. Below the screen, you'll find physical buttons for climate control, as well as a red push-start button that pulses when the car is in standby mode. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, with carbon fiber accents and ambient lighting to set the mood. Dodge has also integrated an upgraded Harman Kardon audio system for those moments when you just want to cruise performance. But let's get to the real reason why we're here: the heart of the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4. Under the hood sits a turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, producing a staggering 375 horsepower and 370 pounds-feet of torque. That's right, Dodge went all out, ensuring this new SRT-4 is a true pocket rocket. Power is sent to the front wheels via a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed dual-clutch automatic for those who prefer lightning-quick shifts. Dodge has also equipped it with a limited slip differential to help put that power down effectively and reduce torque steer. Acceleration is nothing short of impressive, with the Neon SRT-4 launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. The turbo spools up quickly, delivering an exhilarating burst of power with every gear change. The suspension has been reworked with adaptive dampers, allowing drivers to switch between comfort, sport, and track modes for a tailored driving experience. The chassis is stiffer than ever, providing razor-sharp handling while still maintaining a degree of ride comfort for daily driving. Braking performance is just as impressive, thanks to the massive Brembo braking system that brings the car to a stop with confidence. Dodge has also integrated an advanced traction control system that allows for controlled slides when you want to have some fun but keeps you planted when precision is needed. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or tearing up the track, this car is engineered to handle it all. When it comes to pricing, Dodge has positioned the 2025 Neon SRT-4 to be a serious competitor in the hot hatch and sports compact segment. The base model starts at around $37,000, which is incredibly competitive given the performance on offer. Fully loaded with all available options, including the upgraded suspension package and performance exhaust system, the price climbs to around $42,000. For the amount of power, technology, and styling packed into this car, it's an absolute steal compared to some of its rivals. The 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4 is a resurrection done right. Dodge has managed to capture the raw energy and excitement of the original while injecting modern performance and tech to create a true enthusiast's machine. From its aggressive styling to its blistering performance, this car is everything an SRT-4 should be and more. It's a reminder that the compact performance segment is still alive and well, and Dodge is here to shake things up once again. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4. What do you think? Is this the ultimate modern hot hatch? Or do you think Dodge could have done something differently? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest car reviews and automotive news. Until next time, keep it fast, keep it fun, and we'll see you in the next one right here on Trendz TV.